In this video, I will show you step by step how to create voiceovers that sounds like a real Nigerian or African person.
Once upon a time in a small village in Nigeria, there lived
Using a free website called yangpt.co. If you're making African folktales, storytelling, videos, adverts, or anything where you want the voice to sound local and real, and you don't want to use your voice, this will really help you. You can do this with just your phone or laptop. No special app needed. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to the website. Open your browser on your phone or your laptop and type yangpt.co. So I'm using the Google Chrome browser, so I'm going to click on it. So once your browser is open, you type yangpt.co. This website was made by a Nigerian, so it supports Nigerian languages and accents. So when the page opens, scroll down a bit, you will see convert text to speech in Nigerian languages with AI-powered voices. No sign up is needed. You can just start using it immediately. So here is how it works. Enter your text in this space provided. Your text is your story, your advert script, or the prompts you generated from ChatGPT if you're not good with prompt writing. So the next is to choose your preferred language. So when you click on this page, you see a drop-down menu, and we have the languages we have here is English, Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa. But for this tutorial, let's stick with English. So choose your voice. You will see when you click this drop-down arrow, you will see different Nigerian names like Jude, Idera, Ima, Jokage, Osage, Remy, and Tayo. Pick one that fits your style. Tolu sounds like Tayo sounds like the male voice. Remy is the female. So that is it. And I'm going to go with Jude. So set your speaking speed. So I will recommend 1.2x because it is in the middle. So it makes it flow better. So I've tried this app a couple of times. So 1.2, I discovered that when you set your speed at 1.2x, it flows better. But you can decide to slow it down or speed it up. It depends on your own preference. So the next is to type out our prompts. So I'm going to be typing out this prompt. Once upon a time in a small village in Nigeria, there lived a wise old woman who knew the secrets of healings from plants. As you can see, I only use 24 word count, so I still have extra, but let me leave it at that. So the next thing we're going to do is to name our scripts. So I'm going to say voice 1 for folktale 24 or 25, I mean to say. Let me, anyone at all goes. So when I'm done with that, I'll click on this button, convert to speech. Then once I click on it, I'll wait for a second and the voice will be ready. So when it is ready, you can listen to it and download. That is it. So if your story or advert is longer, break it into small part of 60 words each. For example, paste the first 60 word, convert and download, paste the next 60 word, convert and download, and so on. And you have up to 10 times per day for free. So when you're done, you can use a video editor like CapCut or InShot to join all the audio files together with your video or animation. And the final tip is that make sure your script sounds natural when you read it aloud, because once it's still generating, once we are done generating, we'll just go over through it and read and see if it sounds natural. So you can test different voices to see which one fits your brand. You can use it for skits, for storytelling, for reels, and even business adverts. So it is done generating. So I'm going to click on this download audio to download my file. And once it's done, I will click on save. And it will go to either my gallery or my folder, wherever I want it to go to. And that is it. We are done. Simple, easy peasy. Please, if this video helped you, please share, like, comment. Please, thank you guys for your support. Thank you. Share, like, and comment. Bye, and see you in my next video.